कि इससे ज़्यादा अब और ख़राब नहीं हो। Tried this product for I think 2 or 2.5 months now. Bad products use किए थे, I would say I finally found something which works really really good. नहीं अभी नहीं, तूने सब गड़बड़ कर दी because I wanted to try something like very natural. इतना अच्छा इफेक्ट मैंने आज तक किसी भी रोल ऑन में नहीं देखा। What's up cuties, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to this channel then hi, my name is Nidhi. I make videos related to fashion and beauty, and if you enjoy these kind of videos then don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you like any of my videos then don't forget to hit the like button. So for today's video, it's a very sensitive topic for me because I have been suffering from dark underarms since a very long time, like almost since my teen age. तो क्योंकि मैंने आई थिंक उस टाइम पे मैंने बहुत ही बैड प्रोडक्ट्स यूज किए थे, आई वुड से, क्योंकि मुझे तब इतना नॉलेज नहीं था व्हाट वुड सूट मी एंड व्हाट नॉट, एंड क्या कैसे इम्पैक्ट करेगा स्किन को. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई थिंक आई हैव these underarms. But yeah, since then I have never found a solution which works like really good. But the wait is over. I finally found something which works really good. So I have tried this product for I think 2 or 2.5 months now, and I would love to share my experience and the benefit, how it works and why it works, everything. So if you want to know about this product then keep on watching, and I'm going to share the final result at the end of the video. So please make sure you watch it till the end, and let's begin then. अच्छा ऊपर आओ क्या हो? बैठो. नहीं किसी नहीं चाहिए हमको. नहीं अभी बॉक्स नहीं मिलेगा. चलो सिट डाउन हो जाओ. ओ क्या होता है? नहीं ओ नहीं, अभी बैठ जाओ. सिट डाउन हो. नहीं अभी नहीं, तूने सब गड़बड़ कर दी. So in today's video, I'm gonna share my experience with Dr. Sheet, and this is their recent launch जो अभी कुछ I think months पहले आया था. So this is their Kesar and Kojic acid underarm roll-on, AHA infused roll-on to control odor, sweat, and fade pigmentation. So I got it because of this reason only, because I wanted to try something like very natural जो ज़्यादा harm ना करे, because as you all know I have been struggling with this problem since a very long time. तो मैं अब जो भी प्रोडक्ट यूज करती हूँ ना, तो मैं उसको इतना रिसर्च करने के बाद यूज करती हूँ कि इससे ज्यादा अब और खराब नहीं हो. तो आई मेक श्योर कि एवरीथिंग इज क्लीन एंड nice for my skin. So this has such good ingredients and it's working really good for me. Like I have seen like massive impact on my underarms. Like इतना अच्छा इफेक्ट मैंने आज तक किसी भी रोल ऑन में नहीं देखा था. मैंने निविया ट्राई किया, मैंने डव ट्राई किया, और उसमें भी ऐसा होता है कि अल्कोहल नहीं है तो इट विल फेड योर पिगमेंटेशन blah blah blah, but I have never seen anything works like this. So first of all I'm gonna talk about कि pigmentation होता कैसे है underarms में, because there can be like various reasons जिसकी वजह से हो रहा हो, और कभी कभी हार्मोनल चीजें भी होती हैं, उसकी वजह से भी होता है पिगमेंटेशन. सो आई एम गोना शेयर एवरीथिंग अबाउट इट. So first, I think it happens because of lot of friction. Like if you shave your underarms regularly, तो उसकी वजह से भी हो सकता है. तो it's like very important that you shave your underarms in right direction. तो जब भी आप शेव करते हो डोंट गो ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन. जिस डायरेक्शन में बाल हैं पहले फर्स्ट रेजर उसी साइड को मारना चाहिए. उसके बाद जब भी थोड़ा सा हेयर स्मॉल हो जाए उसके बाद यू कैन गो इन डिफरेंट डायरेक्शंस, बट डोंट गो इन ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन डायरेक्टली. जैसे हम आर्म्स एंड लेग्स पे करते हैं वैसे अंडर आर्म्स में नहीं करना, बिकॉज द स्किन देयर इज वेरी सेंसिटिव एंड इट कैन गेट हार्म वेरी इजिली. Next is moisturization. I think it's a very important thing. तो अगर आप हैंड एंड आर्म्स को शेव करते हो या आप वैक्सिंग कराते हो, तो यू हैव सीन लाइक कि आप तुरंत मॉइस्चराइज कर लेते हो, बट वी डोंट do that for our underarms, so which is very important. I think after shower you have to make sure it's well moisturized. And the other thing I would like to add here is exfoliation. That is very important. So you can use very mild scrub or anything. You can use AHA BHA peel off as well. That also works really good, but with that you have to be like very precise. आप वीक में उसको once or twice ही यूज कर सकते हो. Do not use it like massively, क्योंकि उससे भी आपको harm पहुंच सकता है, but it fades your pigmentation timely. Like this kind of process will take a lot of time, because pigmentation is not something which happen overnight, so it will take time to reduce as well, so you have to be very patient with that. That's why I tried this product for like 2.5 months, and then I'm sitting here and giving you my honest review. So this is this. And apart from AHA BHA peel off, you can use alpha air butane. You can use alpha air butane serum and niacinamide as well. That also works really, really good with underarms as well. And I would like to add one more thing, which is very, very important. Ki avoid wearing like tight clothes. I would suggest कि अगर आपको पहनना भी है तो make sure the fabric is very, very soft. So it has like less friction there, because the skin is very sensitive there. तो अगर कोई फैब्रिक कंटिन्यूसली रब हो रहा है like 5-6 hours तक, that will give you pigmentation. So I would suggest make sure that you are wearing cotton and linens more, because that those fabrics are more like breathable. So that's how you can avoid pigmentation and bad odor का problem जो होता है वो I think काफी हद तक कम हो सकती है if you follow these steps. So first I'm going to talk about the packaging. Packaging is really, really good. I really enjoy using this product. So first of all, it comes in this box, which is like very small and squarey box, which is normal, and they have everything written for you, so you can see the ingredients, expiry date, and everything is, it's like quite transparent. This product, I love reading about it, because सब कुछ आपको दिख रहा है, कुछ भी hidden नहीं है. That's the good thing about it. And when you open it, you get this bottle. So I have already finished 2 of them, like second one is ongoing, but yeah, 2.5 months में I have used this much. तो एक बॉटल आराम से मेरा 2 महीने चल गया था. So let's talk about the packaging. So once you open the box, you get this kind of capsule, and I love the packaging, how like the grip is really good with this. And when you open it, you get this roll on, and it has really, really good smell. I love the smell of this, and it stays for like 4 or 5 hours, so it keeps you fresh. And yeah, I love it. And the consistency is really, really thin. It's almost like water and really runny, so it gets dry very quickly. And whenever you are applying, you have to make sure that it's completely dry, then you wear your clothes, because otherwise सारा जो भी product है वो सारा कपड़ों पे आ जाएगा, and it won't give you the result you want. And also this bottle retails for 399 rupees, and it's 50 ml of products you're getting in that price. But I'm sure you will get different prices in different platforms, and even Dr. Sheet ka website also, they keep running some discounts or offers, so you can get it for cheaper actually, which is a very great deal. दे चुकी मैं एक बॉक्स, जिसको दे चुकी हूँ अभी उसको दूसरा भी चाहिए. आप शांति से बैठो चुपचाप. Okay, so first thing we are getting here is purified water, which is like main ingredient in this one. And then we have glycerine and aloe vera gel, which is really important for moisturizer. So it's giving you moisturization as well. And then it has kesar, which is very helpful for brightening up your underarm, and kojic acid it has 2% kojic acid, so which is very good for pigmentation as well, though it will brighten up your skin. So it has 2% niacinamide as well, which is very good for brightening up your skin. So kesar and uh, niacinamide works quite similar. Then it has 1% lactic acid, which is a mild exfoliator. तो अगर कुछ भी डेड स्किन आ जाती है ऊपर, तो आपको अलग से स्क्रब बहुत ज्यादा यूज करने की जरूरत नहीं है. It can do that for you as well. Next is, this is paraben free, aluminum free, cruelty free, and 100% vegan, which is a very important thing, because अगर आप अंडर आर्म्स पे कुछ भी लगा रहे हो, मेक श्योर इट्स पैराबेन एंड अल्कोहल फ्री. दिस हैज एवरीथिंग you need for your underarms. So if you are willing to try it, make sure you use it twice a day. तो मैं इसको अभी सुबह शावर के बाद और रात में भी मैं 2 टाइम यूज कर रही हूँ इसको, सोने से पहले आई पुट इट अप. तो एंड मेक श्योर कि इट्स completely dry before you wear your clothes or pajamas or t-shirt, whatever you are wearing. It needs to be completely dry so it won't transfer to your clothes. एंड जब से मैंने इसको यूज करना शुरू किया है, तो आई डोंट like feel कि I have odor का problem as well. So it controls odor का problem as well. तो अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसी बॉडी है आपकी जो बहुत ज़्यादा odor produce करती है, then I think you can give it a try definitely. The excess buildup will be removed by the एक्सफोलिएशन ऑफ लैक्टिक एसिड. तो जो भी आपका एक्सेस बिल्डअप हो रहा है अंडर आर्म्स में, वो सारा कुछ रिमूव कर देगा. बट स्टिल यू कैन यूज स्क्रब for like twice or once a week, because that is also very important. And kojic acid will help remove pigmentation, and kesar and niacinamide will help you brighten your skin out there. And it's a very versatile product, so men and women both can use it. And now let's talk about the result, what I have been seeing on my body. So I'm gonna share 2 footages, 2 or 3, क्योंकि मैंने while I was using it, I was keep taking videos. So as you can see in these footages, I have been suffering from dark pigmented underarms since a very long time, and it's super pigmented now. And as you can see, slowly it's fading out a little bit day by day. So I have been using it since 2.5 months, so that's why I'm seeing good results. And this is how it looks now. It's pretty clean. I'm like very confident now to wear sleeveless and everything, because this is quite clean now. मेरे लिए तो बहुत clean है, because I had such super pigmented underarms, and this one is pretty clean as you can see. But as compared to other one, this was more patchy. So it has got so much brighter with time. But yeah, it will take time, so you have to be very patient with this. So yeah, this has been a game changer in my daily routine, and I would say it's a thumbs up from my side, and I'll be keep using this because this is working really well for me. And if you have the same problem, I would highly recommend this, because I have tried so many underarms roll on, but nothing works for me. But if you have the same problem and nothing is working for you, then I would say कि एक बार इसको try करो, and be patient because it will take time. तो slowly fade होना start होगा. Within 2 or 3 weeks you can see slightly lightening का effect. तो आपको धीरे धीरे वो results मिलना शुरू हो जाएंगे. But be very patient, क्योंकि बहुत slow काम करता है, but it works. तो from my side, it's a very good product. So do give it a try, and I'm sure you will love it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this video will be helpful, and if you have same kind of issue, then I would highly recommend this product for you guys, and give it a try. I'm pretty sure it will work, but be patient. So if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye bye.